About a year ago, I started on renovations to my kitchen and the rest of my upper floor of my house, and electrical upgrade needed to be done. At that time, I still was thinking that I was going to get an electrical vehicle, so I asked the electrician to include that in my renovations, which he did. The plug's all ready to go, and after a year of trying to find an electric car, I still don't have one. It's very disappointing. I'm an early adopter of things, and I'm very conscious about my carbon footprint. Electric vehicle just makes total sense. I have looked at electric vehicles in my price range. When you look online, it'll say, it's not available in Canada, or there's 15 in Canada. There's one car that I really wanted to get, and that's only available in California. I think that we should be a leader in this kind of technology and not be like the last ones in. I'm Anna Marie D'Angelo. I'm a proud mom and a North Vancouver resident on the edge of the forest. I've been looking to own an electric vehicle for 40 years, and I can hardly wait till I get one.